We're gonna go eat stuff. That's what we're doing today. Eat stuff. Yeah, see, I was saying good night. You just had to push it in a little bit. Perfect. Ito Chinese. Ito Chinese car. They did a really good job. Woo. It's a Chinese Nina. This is Nina's magical art piece. Chocolate marshmallow and stuff. She's totally happy about it. Are you happy about it? You so happy about it?
I'm so happy.
So we... Woo! So we decided to come up to the Angeles Crest Highway to watch some fireworks, but apparently so did like a bajillion other people. So we'll see how that goes. It was a good idea though, right? It's a good idea.
Good idea, babe.
So I'm not sure if you're actually going to be able to see it like on the video, but we can see most of, well, it's not Los Angeles, it's like Pasadena or some crap.
Yeah, we're looking right at Pasadena.
Yeah. So maybe, hopefully there's like some high schools and some parks and stuff that'll do some stuff. Also, you can see the moon. There it is. What's up? What's up, moon? Let's get a show on the road. Let's do it. I'll try to get some fireworks, but no promises.
We definitely would eat and have a lot of fun stuff. And
So this is like crazy zoomed in, so that's why the quality's like crappy, but I'm getting some of the stuff, some good stuff. Whew. So there are droves and droves of people coming up here, and I'm not so sure. It's like it's gonna probably get them safe pretty soon, I think, because everybody's gonna start just you know, parking on the side of the road and stuff. And our car is across the way over there, so like we have a good spot, but we still have to cross to get back to our car. It's a little worrisome. Got a flashlight just in case if we have to, you know, use it to have people slow down or stop or whatever. So we got a good spot, and it's gonna look really cool, but the getting home is gonna be a little worrisome at first. Like once we get down from the mountain, it'll be all right. But all right, updates to come. Shoom, shoom, shoom. Someone's yelling at someone. Bound to happen. Still a shit ton of cars coming. Look at this, like it looks like from my phone that we are up on top of a hill and the apocalypse is happening down there. Oh yeah, we're safe guys, we're safe up here. All right, look at this. It's crazy, man. There's like so many people coming and going. No, well, you can't tell them what to do, Nina. This guy just trying to get on the side of the road there. It's crazy. It's craziness. yeah.
A lot of people coming out there. There's really no
There we go. It's a little bit dark. You can see some of that stuff. Whew. I don't know what that was about. I almost feel like almost before the night's done, somebody's gonna get hit by a car. Or a car's gonna hit another car or something. Now, whilst I don't want that to happen, I think it might. Also, from this vantage point, there's so much crap going on that's really hard to just focus on one. It's like boom, 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 oh wait, that's more like guns, not fireworks.
Yeah, I'm trying to record them on my phone. You can't even see anything.
No, it's like so far away. You can see little bursts of light. Maybe I can zoom into it. I don't know. We'll find out. But I think that's it.
I'm trying to Snapchat, but I didn't know do it.
And then do a little, tell you how you guys went afterwards. With all this crazy traffic and shit. Okay, so going up is it Angels or Angeles?
Angeles Crest Highway.
Angeles Crest Highway. Good idea or bad idea?
It was a good idea. Just people drive crazy.
Yeah. But we left early because we didn't want to, like, so dramatic. We left early because we didn't want to get hit by a car or hit another car or have a car hit us or block us in, or it was getting too crazy, as you probably saw from some of the footage that I did. But otherwise, it was pretty nice.
Yeah, we saw some pretty good fireworks.
Yeah, we got to see a bunch of fireworks everywhere, which is nice. And there's still fireworks going on, and we'll probably be able to go to the back of our building and see them.
Yeah, you can hear them going off right now.
Yeah. All right. So that's it for today. So see you next time. Yeah.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, I'll kiss your face.
Give a kiss. I kiss your lips. Mwah. All right, that's it. So before we go inside, I just want to see if we can actually catch a whole bunch of these like explosions and stuff. Some really good ones, I think. Someone did something bad.